This is really good.
Don't discourage her. It's important to us.
Really.
I will tell you why.
When this will be a career, go ask some people who follow this career. Not
Then they rain. Then she don't want to be two-faced.
You better find a way.
She don't want to be a shake
and change your career. You see this thing? Eh? Now what you will take broke. Now jazz, they do each other jazz.
Okay. That's okay.
I see the last to do one song.
Biscuit.
I see the last guy.
That was biscuit. What biscuit doing now?
The last guy do jazz. I say for applause. Hospital then they walk again. Now we battle. The jazz. You see this thing? Now jazz will do you. If not even the lead singer, you see this voice where you get, please I beg you in the name of God. This life will not benefit you. They will do it just so. When I was 6 years old, you know when you are that group sing it. They go do it just so.
Their leader, the overall leader, they will better announced.
Don't do.
Okay, open no, put them on that, open them.
Don't do. They beg you.
That music go on here. I am very proud of the music.
Don't be all to my singer.
Stop it.
You will. They go do it just so.
She is from Opopo.
Not that.
Let's hear you. The artist of this song will not hear.
This one the singer.
Nah.
Say the singer of the song. It's not.
What's your name? Introduce yourself. Put your mouth on the microphone.
My name na Vivian.
Lower this volume.
Obara. From Opopo in Opopo Nkoro local government.
Opopo or Opobo?
It's the same thing.
In Opopo Nkoro local government.
One na food, one na town. Opopo, Nero Opopo.
One of the warriors. The chorus of big parts of people will be like,
Corona one compound.
no, people.
We don't care. Now our people, they are friendly and we are friendly with them. All right, Vivian, now you sing this song. Who will just play?
Yes, na me singer.
You and who sing this song?
I get some group of people wey can sing.
Come close to this microphone. I just try to you will be singer.
I get some people wey follow me go studio go sing.
Okay, now studio singer.
Yes.
With all those native pots and all
yes,
those things.
yes.
Now live music or the first sing separate, then they come mix the beatings.
No, live.
No, live. Yes.
You carry a drum.
All right. So why you choose this kind of music? Like I cannot talk. You're not up to 30 years. Why you choose this kind of song?
No.
Okay, wetin make me sing and be say?
You don't pass
This kind of
years.
song. If I believe the years, now young girl.
I don't pass.
You know, okay, you don't pass 30.
Maybe 31.
36.
Now lie. Continue, leave us. You know what you want to be the
Okay, wetin make me sing the song number
this
one?
type of song, not the
This
song.
type of song.
Yes,
yes.
I get other ones.
This time, what they spare you?
Okay,
Do you
okay,
smoke?
okay,
Do you smoke
okay.
anything?
No.
Or you just
Not be ready now.
Wetin inspire me to sing this song na be say I happy for wetin God give us for
What did God give
hope.
us?
So I happy
The river where God give
and
us, no?
I come so okay, ma use
What
this
did God
song.
give them?
See, they talk, they come now.
I happy for the governor wey God give us
Ah,
for
how
our
they
small
talk, right?
community
I mean, they fear.
to get that kind big gift. So that thing make me say okay, make I sing this song.
Nah, 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 nah,
And
nah.
for Popo,
We won't give
And
us
for
that
Popo.
first time, not collect.
and
What is Opopo?
And
Are you not
for-
from there?
and for Opobo,
Oliver,
and for
How can you be calling
She
your
was not
tribe?
trained there.
She dey call am well, they call am well, she call am
She
well.
was not trained there.
Opobo.
She was not trained there. She was not trained there. She did not go to school.
Come on, now this get talk now. Every she come out.
And for Opobo, we like traditional song
I know.
more than any other
I know,
song.
just Slim group.
So I say okay, make I use her. Thank God for the good thing wey He give us.
What do you mean the meaning of the song?
Na to thank God.
What did they talk inside the song?
Okay, like that one why I say, Governor Simina Laya Mukwe.
That one
Governor Tamono Mieba. I say, God, thank you.
Let me tell you something. I like this year's key. What you will do is this. You will open The prayer house.
Stop that nonsense. She's not from Okreka. She's not from Okreka.
But they give her
She's not from Okreka. No give Okreka. No give Okreka mentality. No green. Opopo dey
I sing this from this prayer house. Peter, that boy is
She knows Sabian. She knows Sabian.
They get the one why I said.
Wow! I love this girl! I love this
Oh,
girl!
never better than the Alice. I told him my head and yeah, if you not take it. Oh, never better than the Alice. I told him my if you not take it.
I'm very disappointed.
You go this one and later stop just holding them. Now this one that we go to prepare like this for the church. We go use the instrument. That's an only bed. This one bed. We get them. Now this girl you go play.
I beg you. Allow this girl to.
Now this girl telling me I tell this girl. What that for?
Hey, this second and now gonna go.
Okay.
Spirit is
All right. So you're happy that
You're supposed to know for my
Yes.
After this.
Second, I beg now. Now 10 minutes wait.
Give this girl 20 minutes.
I know the same as my work. I still get other work.
I
No, don't
follow
worry.
this one.
Now
From
music,
now,
now music
follow
come
this
for.
one.
Let the music come for.
Yes, yes.
First the music, and then they follow again and they go in. Now you see the
Governor,
color.
see, I can't God to beg you. Your Excellency, I don't say they hear. You don't hear. I'm going to tell you.
In there,
Encourage this your sister. What's her name?
Vivian Dinne Fubara.
Vivian Dinne.
Sin is Fubara. She is also
Somehow,
the same family,
they say, look at God bless you, local country. Somehow, people are in the same family.
same work in
For
house.
this year,
The same work in house.
the same one can
That's why
do.
you're marrying.
God bless you. I can't Jehovah God beg you. Maybe I cannot bring world class musician in the program.
Second, I can't.
Encourage
She
her.
don't even talk what she come for.
Let's there's a sad film. Give her one plot. And encourage her. What a voice. Tell us.
Vivian,
Sorry.
you
Let
don't
us sing that
do.
prayer song again now.
No, she will before she
Before
goes.
she goes.
If you don't do song,
Yes.
traditional
Wonderful
song,
voice.
Yes.
you sing them in a Bani language completely.
Yeah.
You don't put that Igbo way with this.
No.
No, that bad
Good.
with this.
Now I want
Do you
to.
know you heard man?
I want you to understand why I get interested
Do
in
you
her.
can you speak
Oh,
It says you do I know fit. It's not
in
it's not a shame.
It's shameful something. You can open your line now. I want that for like.
Put there.
Don't let her ring go.
So this song the only
No.
one track.
No, I get 7 tracks. No problem.
The same local song like
Yes.
this. One
Then the
track.
one I go do next in
Chai,
foreign.
I like that. See now you don't put that for album.
And they launch am by December.
Allow her talk now.
So
I'm the MC of the event. Free of charge.
so na it make me come so.
Good.
I dey invite everybody for Rivers State, even you wey dey
I said I be the MC. Don't
You already
be
Oh,
Don't take position.
So I dey invite the governor of Rivers State, everybody, make una come
for this launching.
for this launching.
Where be the place?
Na for Popo Fubara's company.
That is the
Na
problem.
be venue.
Her own compound.
You always taking us to local.
No be local. Popo get
It's far now,
international road.
Fuel no day for us to get there. Why don't you bring this thing? Do two launching, my sister. You will benefit.
Okay, maybe when I do for Popo.
Make she
finish.
first
Oh,
before
wait now. If we do for Port Harcourt first.
No.
So that those of us will like this kind of your line of music. You understand? How many years don't pass where the group where they sing that song?
Popo Elulu.
It's another song.
Yes,
Sing
sir.
that, sing that.
I will not go Sabia.
Daye ruru. Eberiye, daye eberiye.
You get fans. You get fans.
Allow this girl. Nobody should have fun now.
Make she do this one to Port Harcourt. You go shock the crowd.
She already print card.
So people not far.
She don't
That's
print.
my
She
problem.
don't print card for Popo.
So good. Okay.
Popo when she print card.
Which date?
30th of December.
That everybody go there.
That time they play one time.
No, one on a first.
Okay, na first. Okay.
30th na
Everybody
Saturday.
don't come.
First
So
na
na for
Monday.
where everybody play for Saturday.
For Barras compound.
It big.
Very big, yes.
So that time when the stone bottle where we.
No. We stone around Jaja's compound.
Now, other artists.
My phone is the best source.
Calm down.
Don't worry. No, don't worry. More finish.
They get that. They invite another group to help.
Yes.
to
Also
organize
perform.
Yes.
Which
yes.
group is that? Call their name.
I invite them. I be invite this
Amati
boy.
people there.
Amati people there.
Amati Brain.
No, Amati.
Okay, Amati is a group.
Is a
yes.
cultural
Then
no go lose compound.
Ibiakogbo.
Biakobo.
Okay.
Good.
That they think of to invite this boy will sing my wife. For him,
Okay.
let me say that 30th.
He busy.
Him busy.
You think they go America? They go
So I still they look for other people who are going to invite.
It's okay. Two don't do plus you. And
No,
you
two
only
don't
do
do.
you. Plus you. Opobo go shut down.
So who be your special guest of honor?
The governor of Rivers State.
You don't send an invitation card.
Yes, she
Yes.
does send invitation.
You don't see him.
Now to see another
It's okay.
problem.
Now we'll help you invite.
Who be your royal father of the day?
The royal father of the day now,
Am I number of?
His Majesty,
Yes, I'm number of.
Dr. Douglas Dambisa Jaja.
Allah.
No, she talk now. You dey talk.
What about the council of chiefs?
And the council.
All of them go there.
Very good. We are coming.
Oh yeah, your launchers them. You get some.
What about the local government chairman? That guy give me 100,000. Would they fight?
And I don't send letter to them, but I never hear anything.
Talk to him. Now my dear friend, you have to help you again.
For the purpose of this program, try expect something.
Help you.
For the purpose of this program.
Call him now.
My brother, I don't need to call him.
Why?
I don't call him. I don't know.
Now wait till they dey phone. Oh, now they pick up for this thing. That is the problem. Why they pick up? Once you enter police, they pick up. I don't go. Where they go? That is the problem. When we work for this thing. He does not pick my call. He does not pick my call. 90% where we dey so. He does not pick my call.
Nobody's speaking my call.
That's why I English.
It's okay.
So
What if they are one time?
What time? No, no, she.
Okay, you are named.
Solo.
You are
Vivian.
Vivian.
Fubara.
Vivian Fubara, thank you very much.
What time? What time
right?
of the day?
That by 3.
By
3 p.m.
So we'll play tonight. Come.
Yes, sir.
Good, correct girl.
So, how much we get this?
Opobo Akpala.
How much we get? They crazy about
Akpala means for you.
Which kind get free? It's free.
No, I'm making ask her.
It's free.
Not free, oh.
Very
Alright,
good.
so
This kind of song wey dey sing, Yoruba is called Akpala.
something
Salawa
else.
Beni.
That's
Thank you.
Yeah.
Vivian.
Can I say something?
I encourage
Now,
you.
my sister, allow me.
I encourage you.
Calm down. Calm
But
down.
before she goes,
Calm down. Wait. Vivian Fubara, they call on all well-meaning Opobo people
I don't corrupt people.
and corrupt people.
And I'm done people.
The whole River State put
Very
together
good.
to come support her because this song which is thanking God for the governor of
So
River State.
tell Fulton Toby, please, this girl, no leave her by.
And this, she dey call for sponsorship too. People
Yeah.
who won't do anything for her, maybe help her buy drinks, help her pay for canopies, help her
Chair.
help her hire chair, anything
Costume nko.
just to and her dancing people
God
and she
bless
go,
you.
she go pay them, she go pay their transport and all that, feed people and all that. She needs some small support from
I am supporting her.
all Opobo, well-meaning Opobo people.
God bless you.
Please, if you want to reach out to Vivian, where the number they will fit call. Anybody wants sponsor or help or support you, how it will fit take reach you. Give us the number.
Give us your number.
My
Not
number.
be your own personal number, if not men.
Our number, no worry, leave
Oh, yeah,
her.
yeah, give number.
Yeah, call your number.
Give the
My
number
number
with the
is
number.
070
Mhm,
31
mhm,
61
mhm,
55
mhm.
33.
Repeat it
No one is
again.
thing now.
My number is 070 31 61 55 33.
Thank you, Vivian. But before you go, last one. It was one correct in the mic and song.
Sing your own song.
No.
Ekwe, 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 mama fie mam. Ekwe, ekwe, mama fie mame. Ekwe, kiri mamba pama bo tilama. Ekwe, ekwe, ekwe,
Thank you very much. I'll buy you motor.